make a request.
आ गया 8 दे दिए.
My lord, this is first application under section 438 CRPC. The present applicant is apprehending his arrest under section 323, 294, 506, 34 and 308 of the IPC. My lord, there is a counter case also against the...
पहले इसका बता दीजिए.
जी सर, against this मतलब the violence took place ensured at the when we are going to the our field, and there is a dispute, admittedly dispute regarding the रास्ता मतलब हमारा खेत जो है इनके खेत के वहाँ से जाता है और रास्ता जो है बीच में है. रास्ते के संबंध में तहसीलदार साहब ने ऑर्डर किया है कि ये इन्होंने वो ऑर्डर मैंने फाइल किया सर कि ये रास्ता हमारा खोलें. हम उस दिन फील्ड पे थे और उस समय उन दोनों के पक्षों में लड़ाई हुआ. सर आप दिस पेज नंबर 9 ऑफ दी माई कंपाइलेशन ऑर्डर है. द एलिगेशन अगेंस्ट हिम इज ओनली ही इट इज अ केस ऑफ फ्री फाइट. सो सेक्शन
पेज 9
ऑफ
ऑर्डर इम्प्यूट ऑर्डर
मतलब पेज 9 ऑफ माई कंपाइलेशन एंड द ऑर्डर इज पेज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम पेज 7 मतलब.
ये जो दिस FIR which
relates to this present
this number 253 is the present offense.
Yes, my lord.
अच्छा, this has been lodged by Ram Babu Nagda.
Ram Babu Nagda. And the counter affidavit, counter is lodged by us. सर आप पेज 9 पे देख लें. जो केस है वो शुरू से मैं पढ़ देता हूँ. आवेदक की ओर से प्रस्तुत अग्रिम जमानत आवेदन पत्र इस आशय का है कि प्रार्थी 73 वर्ष की आयु का होकर सम्मानीय वरिष्ठ व्यक्ति है, जिसका विगत काफ़ी समय से इलाज भी चल रहा है. घटना दिनांक 11/6/22 को फरियादी राम बाबू ने प्रार्थी जगदीश प्रेजेंट एप्लीकेंट लो उसके भाई प्रभुलाल, मदन लाल एवं भतीजे सूरजमल के विरुद्ध नित्यांत असत्य झूठे आरोप लगाकर द्वेष्टापूर्ण आशय से पुलिस थाना नीमच में रिपोर्ट लिखाई, जिस पर तत्समय पुलिस द्वारा प्रार्थी एवं अन्य के विरुद्ध प्रकरण संस्थापित किया गया. वो दिनांक को 11
लकड़ी से इसको राम बाबू से मारा.
हाँ, राम बाबू ने लकड़ी से मारा.
कमर
ये
पे.
सर पैरा 11 में है.
कमर पे.
जी जी पेज 11 पे जी.
हाँ, कमर पे मारा.
जी हाँ
इसने.
जी हाँ.
कमर पे क्या इंजरी है? क्योंकि कुल्हाड़ी से तो किसी दूसरे मदन ने मारा
है और एडमिटेडली रास्ते का झगड़ा हम अपने खेत में जा रहे हैं.
ये फिर दत्तक पुत्र दिनेश बीच बचाव करना है तो सूरजमल व प्रभुलाल ने लकड़ी से दिनेश व दिलखुश को मारा है ना.
ये
राम बाबू ने तो क्या केवल इतना है कि सर
जगदीश को क्या है, वेस्ट पे क्या इंजरी है?
राम बाबू, जगदीश इज द एप्लीकेंट. राम बाबू को मारा है जगदीश.
हाँ, ये राम बाबू को वेस्ट पे क्या इंजरी है?
यस, one lacerated wound, contusion on lower back horizontal 18 into 3 centimeter.
कंट्यूजन है.
Contusion on lower back horizontal.
ठीक है, 73 इयर्स का है.
मतलब 41 ए का नोटिस भी दिया है.
यस
My lord, here the complainant, he is of also 63 years of age. My humble submission before this honorable court is there is a preparation. They are going on my field. It is not that it is on the way. The first correction, my lord. There are sticks, axe, everything is there, my lord. The preparation is there, intention is there, and attack is there, my lord. And my lord, in such a manner when there is a clear intention is there, it is my luck कि वो एक्स जो है वो उल्टी साइड से मुझे लगी है.
एक्स से इनने थोड़ी मारा.
Whatever, my lord. But there is a common intention, my lord. All the 4-3. There is a common intention, my lord.
3 या 4? अच्छा 3 है.
My lord, and there is a direct evidence available, and the deep bone injuries are there, my lord. And it is not only one who is hit. There are 4 people who got hit. It is my luck. It is not something like which is a free fight is there. There is a complete preparation, meeting of minds coming to my fields, attacking me, my lord. So there does not at any point of time deserve the anticipatory bail, my lord. He might be of 73 years of age.
जी ठीक है, लिखिएगा. दिस इज फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन एज पर द प्रोसिक्यूशन ऑन 11/6/2022. A report was lodged by the complainant Ram Babu to the effect that in the morning at 11:40 he had gone to his field where his adopted son Dinesh and nephew Dilkush were also there. Stop. His neighbor Jagdish, the present applicant, along with his family were also present. Stop. There was an altercation between them as regards right of way, on which the applicant assaulted him with a stick on his waist. Stop. Co-accused Madan assaulted him with an axe on his head, which resulted in bleeding. Stop. Thereafter, Dinesh and Dilkhush were assaulted by Surajmal and Prabhulal with sticks, resulting in injury on head and hands and legs on them. So thereafter, his brother Shivnarayan came to the spot and saved them. Upon lodging of the report, the accused, including the present applicant, have been implicated for the present offence. In the learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant is innocent and has falsely been implicated in the case due to a previous dispute between the parties as regards right of way. Stop. It was a case of free fight and both the parties have assaulted each other, and FIR has also been registered against the complainant and others on the report lodged by the applicant. Stop. In any case, the only allegation against the applicant is of assaulting Ram Babu with a stick on his waist, which resulted in simple injury to him. Stop. The other injuries, the other grievous injuries are stated to have been caused by the other accused. Stop. It is submitted that the applicant deserves to be granted the benefit of anticipatory bail. Opposition लिख लीजिएगा स्टेट का, ये उसके बाद learned counsel for the objector submits that the applicant was as much involved in the incident as the other accused, in which the complainant and others have been inflicted serious injuries Stop. It was a case of premeditation and the applicant and other co-accused were armed with weapons and in furtherance of their common intention have assaulted the complainant party. Stop. It is submitted that the applicant does not deserve a benefit of grant of anticipatory bail. Next, I have heard the learned counsel for the party and introduce the case. The applicant is stated to be aged about 73 years. So the allegation against him is of assaulting the complainant Ram Babu with a stick, which has resulted in a contusion to him in the lower back. So the other grievous injuries are stated to have been caused by the other co-accused. So the applicant was issued a notice under section 41-capital A of the CRPC and was not arrested. So thus, in my opinion, looking to the age of the applicant and the nature of allegation against him, he deserves to be granted the benefit of anticipatory bail. Allow 50%.
Copy of the order. Obliged.